In this video, we are shining the light on light bulbs. When you buy a Village piece that can be lit internally, usually in your packaging, you'll get a light cord and a light bulb. There are two types of light bulbs that you might receive. The first light bulb I'm showing you here is a 6 to 7 watt, 120 volt white light bulb that produces a soft, warm glow. The other is also a 6 to 7 watt, 120 volt bright light bulb that produces a brighter color. The light bulb size is a C7. While both of these have a different shape and color, they are both the same kind of bulb, known as a C7 bulb. Light bulbs are categorized by a letter and a number. The C stands for candelabra, or candle bulb, defining the size and shape of the screw base. The 7 defines the bulb's diameter, which measures out to 7/8 inch. C, candle, C7, clever! You will turn your bulb clockwise when inserting and counterclockwise when removing. Or, as my carpenter dad always said, the age-old righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Hey, it may be corny, but you'll never forget it. Your light bulb should last several seasons. To prolong the light bulb's length, get a timer and set it to run at specific times and only run while you are at home. The best way is to conserve electricity and the life of your light bulb. If you are bundling light cords or testing them, be sure to be aware of the metal prongs on the light cord. They can scratch the bulbs. They can also break. I've had that happen to me before. Always have extra light bulbs on hand at all times. I hide mine under my Village. I'll show you why. An unlit house can look pretty dark among all of the other lit houses. It really can stand out. So every time that my Village turns on, I just do a quick check, make sure everything is lit, and I'm prepared with my light bulbs under my table. There are two main ways that you can store your light bulbs. The first is to leave your light bulb attached to your light cord. The other option is to remove your light bulb from the socket and store all light bulbs together and all light cords together. One thing that I wouldn't recommend is trying to fit the light cord back into the box that it came in with your Village piece. I find that I can't get the light cord back into the styrofoam, no matter which way I try to turn it. The metal prongs or plastic prongs always get stuck on them. It's kind of like a fitted sheet. You can't refold it the way you got it. Light cords are the same way. You just can't get it into that packaging without tearing it up in the process. So I always store my light cords separate from the box it came from. Plus, light cords can fit into any Village piece. It's not meant for just one, so why go through the trouble of trying to fit it back into the packaging and ruining it? The packaging is to protect your Village piece, not the light cord. They can go in a box. Now, if you want to replace your light bulb, you can find them online from the manufacturer that produced your Village piece. You can also find them in stores that sell Village products, especially during the holiday season. Now, I'll let you in on a little secret. C7 light bulbs are a really common type of light bulb. Why? Because they're the size of light bulbs that go into your everyday night light. You can find C7 light bulbs anywhere that you find any kind of light bulb. If you want to get the most out of your Villaging light bulbs, check out my next video. I'll show you how.